Here guys, another bait fish caught. Both of them took it. And here are our
Hey guys, a big hello to everyone. It's Sergey with you, and this is the YouTube channel Assistance TV. By your numerous requests today, I'm going to tell you how to catch bait fish for fishing. Yes, for all kinds of fish. For catfish, chub, perch, and big carp. Any fish loves bait fish. This is a versatile and cool bait. Catching them, guys, is not easy. You can't catch them with bright light, and you need to be extremely quiet. If you make noise and stomp around, it will be very bad. I watered it in advance. So I live in a private house and I watered the flower beds. I know people who live in high-rise apartment buildings in the city. They take water bottles. They take 5-liter tusk bottles and water the flower beds under their house. Yeah, it's easier for me. I stepped out of my private house, watered myself, and I'm catching them. But for those who don't have such opportunities, no dacha, no other options, they either collect them after the rain or just water, like I said, small areas under their window to catch them. Just the night before, you water the area and wait for complete darkness. Like right now, it's already 10 p.m. for me, and that's it. You catch the bait fish. Then, after about half an hour, you can return to the same spot. What time did you catch the bait fish? So they come out again after a while, but you definitely need to water it abundantly, or wait for the right time when a good rain comes to soak the ground well. Then you'll be able to catch them again. There will be a lot of bait fish. You know, bait fish are big earthworms that come out on their own when it rains. As I said, you can't catch them in bright light. It's better to use flashlights. I have flashlights with a red light option. Here, this is the blue one, and this is the red one. Strong red, weak red. The red light, my friends, they are completely unafraid of the bait fish. If it doesn't attract the bait, then nothing, and all the creatures react to it smoothly. That's why I often use red light when fishing. That's really great. I have these little flashlights, and catching bait fish with them is just fantastic. If you don't have a red flashlight, take a red plastic bag or something and wrap it around your regular flashlight. Just attach it there so that it shines as dimly as possible and in as red a color as possible. For some reason, the creatures are not afraid of the red color. Any other color, blue, like I have here, blue, green, any other colors, the worms will be scared. And specifically, the red color reacts normally.
guys, we're going to catch some bait fish now, just like I said. And here they are. I'm talking quietly, and they still get scared. They are very skittish. The slightest noise, a tap. They immediately run away. You see, I caught one, but I missed the second one. I couldn't catch it. It's really fast. Let's see. Next. Where there are bait fish. There were only 2 in this area. Look, there's a tiny one. It's really tiny. I even want to tell you, friends, that if there is a bright red light, like now, they too can be afraid. They are only not afraid of a very dim red light. Now let's move on. I'll try not to make any noise. Show it. Here it is. Look, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. It's already running away. I won't be able to catch it. It ran away. It was completely with wings. And here is a small bait fish. Now I'll show you using the example of a small bait fish. I hope you can see it here. Here's a little worm. You see, right on this. A really tiny bait fish. I'm going to turn on the white light now, and you'll see that it will instantly just run away from the regular flashlight. You see, the worm just hid. So, if you use a regular flashlight instead of a red one, your worms will just run away immediately. Let's keep going in search. Here it comes out. It's coming out 1, 2. You can tell which one is bigger by the head. It's just like that. This is a small one, it fell out. And this one is small. We need good releases like these. These are small ones. Here's another one. You need to do this very quickly and gently pull it out very smoothly, unfortunately, by the time I got here to get it on camera, because right now it's running away. Did it run away? No, I didn't run away. Right now with the video camera, guys, I'm making more noise and talking as well. If you do it correctly, you need to do it very quietly. Don't shuffle around, don't stomp too much, because they are immediately afraid of the slightest sound. These are very skittish and smart worms. Look, I just caught a good worm. These are the kinds of worms you need for fishing. These are the best for catching catfish. Great night crawler. Here are 3 night crawlers right away. 1, 2, 3. You need to grab the biggest one because it's the best for fishing. Well, for example, can you climb after it now? For the farthest one, and they'll all run away. And you won't have time to grab it. It's also good to catch the night crawler that has crawled out the most. Well, this one is convenient too. This way. You won't have time to run away. I got lucky right now. They stayed in place. I'll take them all right away. This one is very small. This one is just running away. You see, and here's a little night crawler. Look how big this one is. Look how big it is, how much it has crawled out. It will be very easy to catch him. This worm, it's very easy to catch. Oops. You take it, murkies, and that's it. When it crawls out more than halfway, you can easily grab it. Right now, it seems to me that I've caught all the night crawlers in this area, but that's far from the truth. Look, there's another one. If you guys shine a light on one spot for a long time, you'll see more worms. You'll notice some slight movement. They'll be hiding among some leaves. And now I'm going to show you, we'll slightly remove the zoom and show you one spot. This is where I missed some worms. Now I see another night crawler. He ran away from me. Now at this spot, I'm going to turn the white light back on. Show you how they will run away. The ones I didn't find will immediately start to scurry away. Opie, the worms have crawled in. There's one drunk guy who stayed, but he doesn't run away. For some reason, I don't know. I saw 2 others that crawled in. There was one over there and one here. Maybe it will wake up. If it doesn't wake up, we'll take it with us now. Careful, there it is. But this one is small, but it will work for fishing too. So you definitely shouldn't shine a bright flashlight like that under any circumstances. We need to switch to red mode here. I found another one under a little branch. Both. This one is also small, but we can take it. If we run out of the big ones while fishing, even the medium ones will do. These are the releases. Will be just what we need. Next, let's go and search like this, in these little dashes. And there we go, we caught our worms, guys. They need to be stored in some kind of glass container, and the grass should be slightly removed from the Audi. That is, I washed the jar, left the jar important, picked some herbs and threw the releases there. And of course, they shouldn't be stored somewhere if it's evening today, because tomorrow we have a day. Yeah, it should be sunny and hot, so they need to be kept in a cool place, somewhere in the shade. I know that if guys live in the city, they even put them in the fridge. Well, I take them down to the cellar. I have a cellar or a carpet where it's cool. Then they'll be whole and fresh, and you'll be able to fish really well with them tomorrow. It's not always possible to catch them. They often escape from me too. They are very nimble, especially if the worm has crawled out just a little. Well, let's say there's another small one. The small ones aren't scared, but the big ones get scared right away and run off. Here are our worms, our jar, and we're going to toss them all in here now. As I said, guys. And by the way, look, one just fell out right here. While I caught one just like that, 1 or 2 of these little ones, we're not going to take them. This is how we caught a whole jar of flatheads. Well, like a whole 15 of them. I never catch too many. 15 is enough for one evening of fishing with friends. And if you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, click the bell so you don't miss it. New videos are coming, and friends, write in the comments what else you'd like me to shoot for you, how to make some tackle, how to assemble a fishing rod, or any other suggestions. So here's the question, how to catch worms for fishing. I answered that for you.